Hi there, I hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is Deeswod from the Dead West set. He was black and white zenithally primed and get started with Satyr brown for the base coat of the skin. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I get the hat and wrappings on his legs base coated with Sandstone. For his trousers, shoes and hair, I went with burnt umber. Getting the remaining leather parts and the base done, I grabbed Plague Brown. Next up, I used Ancient Forest for the wood on the rifle and the leather strap that I missed across his chest. There is a rabbit hanging from his waist. I gave this a once over with Offwhite. For all of the beads and gem type things, I used blue-green. To start off the highlights, I used Sunny Skin Tone to bring up all of the raised parts of the skin, just leaving that darker tone in the recesses of the muscles. Added a highlight to the trousers, I grabbed Wasteland Brown. highlight for the wrappings and the fur hat gets done with temple stone. Getting all the metal parts done, I went with gun metal over all of these. Moving on to the wash now, I used Archaic Sepia wash over the entire mini. Finishing up, I added some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Deeswod. The skin is a bit more patchy than the last time I tried this method, but that's a good thing to know, and some variation between similar models isn't really a bad thing. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.